So, leef Luxembourger, leef Amerikaner, everybody, the Americans living in Luxembourg. Here's Mike McQuaide with his song Eldoradio.
Eldoradio, oh, spielst du das Lied? Es nicht schlecht, es nicht sehr lang, oh, es ist. Ich mag nicht viel wann. Falls du das Lied spielst, geht it an Eldo Chartbreaker. Ich bin Amerikaner, du Luxemburg, aber das egal. Grappekusische und Schuber vor, das sind ich. Ich bin nicht mehr jung, aber es ist mir egal. Der Inches war zielt, als Lin on Air ze treffen. Eldoradio, oh, won't you play this song? It's not that bad, it's sort of coming along. I've been on internet and TV and in the newspapers too, but I ain't been on the radio, that's why I wrote this song to you. I've been from Vilvoorde to Mondorf, from Esserzor to Essalzet, but to be on Eldoradio is the best thing yet. And to meet Lynn too. I got hopes, I got dreams, I got things I need to do, but all those can wait till I'm on Eldoradio. It was nice to meet Ben and Michelle also, though, okay?
Yeah, thank you.
I'm not a singer, but please don't hesitate. Put me on Luxembourg's hit radio. Luxembourg's hit radio. Put me on Luxembourg's hit radio before it's too late.
Hey, Mike McQuaide, an American in Luxembourg. Ihr könnt noch besichtigen gehen auf Facebook. Da fand an American in Luxembourg, the Mike McQuaide. Mike, I thank you very much.
Oh, thank you, man.
For coming in the studio and singing your song. And it was good Luxembourgish too.
Was it okay?
Yeah,
was
I
it?
call your teacher that he has to do more lessons, but it was good. Yeah, just like my English.
Do you know what I was saying?
Yeah,
That's the 2 words you got.
Yeah, the most important words. No, it was very nice that you came to our studio. One of the, how do you say that, most sympathetic people who came into the studio.
Right on. One of the most awesome, I think is what you'd say.
Yeah, okay.
One of the greatest.
Also, Mike McQuaide, geht zu Besuch auf Facebook, an American in Luxembourg, Kayo Meldo.